Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw an Audi A6. First, grab your pencil and lightly sketch the basic outline of the car. Think of it as a simple box to define the length and height. Next, gently mark where the wheels will go, ensuring they are evenly spaced. This initial framework is crucial for getting the overall proportions correct before adding any details. Take your time with these foundational lines. Now, let's refine those initial shapes. Focus on the elegant curve of the roofline and the precise angles of the windows. Next, give attention to the iconic Audi grille, making sure its shape is prominent and centered. Sketch the unique headlight designs, capturing their modern aesthetic. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the subtle lines that define the doors. It's time to bring the wheels to life. Draw the circular shape of the tires, then add the intricate details of the rims or hubcaps. Move to the rear of the car, sketching the distinctive taillight design and the contours of the bumper. Pay close attention to the subtle body creases and panel gaps. These small details significantly enhance the realism of your drawing. For the final touches, begin adding shading to give your Audi A6 drawing depth and dimension. Think about where light would hit the car and where shadows would naturally fall, especially under the body and within the wheel wells. Use darker lines to emphasize key features and create contrast. This step truly makes the car pop off the page. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.